Hey Ryan, can you believe it's the last day of school?
I know, it's insane. I feel like I haven't had time to do all the things I want to do.
Well, if you read the sign, you still got one more chance to seize the day.
I wonder. I want to be remembered here, so let's leave a mark on the school. Like a real mark.
I don't know, I think we should thank everyone for helping us out during our time here.
Aw, you're so boring. Come on, I got a few ideas about how to spend these last few hours.
All right, fine.
That was awesome!
Oh my gosh! Who on earth did this?
Dude, what the heck? I knew this was going too far.
Hey, sorry about earlier. I didn't mean to hit you with that water.
It's okay. I knew we were going a little too far. I should have stopped you.
Yeah, I just wanted to apologize. Is there anything I can do to make it up to you?
Well, there is one thing.